Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the August Home Wi-Fi Smart Lock 4th generation. If you're looking to upgrade your existing deadbolt and add some smart functionality to your home, then this is the perfect solution for you. First off, the August Smart Lock fits on the inside of your door, so it's compatible with your existing deadbolt. This means you can keep your keys just in case, but you won't need them. The installation process is super easy and only takes about 10 minutes, even if you're not so handy. One of the best features of the August Smart Lock is the ability to grant access with the August app. Say goodbye to key copying and hiding spare keys under the doormat. You can easily share access with friends and family and never have to worry about getting locked out. Not to mention, the August Smart Lock works seamlessly with your smart home, allowing you to control it with your favorite voice assistant. Plus, you can add a keypad for use with unique codes for those phone-free moments. And the best part is, you can get all of these amazing features without changing the look of the outside of your front door. The August Smart Lock is installed only on the inside, so your home's curb appeal remains intact. So, if you're ready to upgrade your home security and convenience, be sure to check out the August Home Wi-Fi Smart Lock 4th generation by clicking the link in the description. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart home tech reviews. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to review the Amazon Basics Freezer Gallon Bags, a must-have for any kitchen. This pack includes 90 freezer food bags, each holding 1 gallon, with a reclosable top and a double zipper closure for ultimate freshness and security. The stand and fill base with the same gallon capacity makes these bags incredibly convenient for storage and organization. Plus, they are BPA-free, so you can feel good about using them for your family's food storage needs. If you're a fan of Ziploc freezer bags, we highly recommend giving the Amazon Basics freezer bags a try. And the best part? When you're running low, you can simply use your Echo device or Alexa on the Amazon app to reorder by voice. Just say Alexa, reorder Amazon Basics Freezer Gallon Bags, and you'll be all set. So if you're ready to upgrade your food storage game, click the link in the description to get your hands on the Amazon Basics Freezer Gallon Bags today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping. Hey there, music lovers. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the Pioneer DJDM50D 5-inch active monitor speaker. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, these studio monitors are perfect for anyone looking for high-quality sound and accurate audio reproduction. These speakers are powered by 25W and feature a 5-inch cone woofer and 3/4-inch dome tweeter, delivering crisp, clear sound with deep bass and detailed highs. The sleek black design not only looks great in any studio setup, but also ensures durability and reliability. With the Pioneer DJDM50D, you can trust that your mixes and productions will sound their best. So, if you're serious about your music and want to take your sound to the next level, these studio monitors are a must-have. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to get your hands on the Pioneer DJDM50D 5-inch active monitor speaker pair in black. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and happy mixing. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Dyson Purifier Humidify+Cool Formaldehyde pH04 Multifunctional. This latest generation purifier intelligently purifies, humidifies, and cools the air in your home, creating a healthier environment for you and your family. One of the key features of this Dyson purifier is its ability to automatically purify and hygienically humidify the air, all while being fully sealed to HEPA H13 standard. This means that what goes inside stays inside, keeping your home free from harmful pollutants. What sets the Dyson Purifier Humidify+Cool Formaldehyde pH04 Multifunctional apart is its ability to detect and destroy formaldehyde released from household items, ensuring that the air you breathe is clean and safe. The air multiplier technology also circulates purified, humidified air throughout the entire room, providing a comfortable environment for you and your family. With hassle-free maintenance and 3 fan modes to choose from, including fan mode for direct cooling, breeze mode to mimic a refreshing breeze, and backwards airflow mode for purifying and humidifying without cooling, this Dyson purifier is versatile and easy to use. The Dyson Purifier Humidify+Cool Formaldehyde pH04 Multifunctional also features a night mode, where it monitors, purifies, and humidifies using quiet settings and a dim display, ensuring a peaceful night's sleep. One of the most impressive features of this purifier is its ability to sense and report changes in air quality and humidity in real time on the LCD screen and on the Dyson app. It even comes with a curved and magnetized remote that stores neatly on top of the machine, allowing for easy control and operation. Not only that, but this Dyson purifier is also voice service compatible, allowing you to control it with simple, spoken instructions. It works with Amazon Alexa and Apple Siri, making it effortlessly convenient to use. So there you have it, folks. The Dyson Purifier Humidify+Cool Formaldehyde pH04 Multifunctional is a top-of-the-line purifier guaranteed to create a healthier and more comfortable environment in your home. If you're interested in purchasing this amazing product, be sure to check out the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and updates. Thank you for watching. Hey there, comic book fans and Funko collectors. Today, we've got something truly special for you: the Funko Pop. Movies. Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom Aquaman Diamond Glitter, Amazon exclusive. This exclusive Pop Aquaman figure from DC Comics Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom is a must-have for any true fan. Dressed in his heroic suit and holding his trident, this vinyl figure shimmers with diamond glitter details that truly make him stand out. Standing at approximately 4.10 inches tall, this Aquaman figure is ready to make a splash in your DC collection. But that's not all. This figure is an Amazon exclusive, which means you won't find it anywhere else. So, don't miss your chance to add this exclusive Aquaman Funko Pop to your collection and bring heroic adventures home. So what are you waiting for? Follow the link in the description below to get your hands on the Funko Pop. Movies. Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom Aquaman Diamond Glitter, Amazon exclusive, and start making waves in your collection today. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exclusive Funko reviews and unboxings. Thanks for watching. Hey there, folks. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the magical world of Disney with the Funko Pop Train. Disney 100 Darth Vader on TIE Fighter. This Amazon exclusive collectible is a must-have for any Disney and Star Wars fan. Join the dark side and bring the galaxy's most iconic villain, Darth Vader, into your home with this stunning pop figure. The reimagined train car version of his iconic TIE Fighter is a nod to Disney's 100th anniversary, making it a truly special addition to your collection. Standing at approximately 5.6 inches tall, this vinyl figure is the perfect centerpiece for your Disney train set. So why wait? Complete your Pop Trains collection and add a touch of Disney magic to your home today. Don't miss out on the chance to own this exclusive piece of Disney and Star Wars history. Click the link in the description below to find this Funko Pop Train. Disney 100 Darth Vader on TIE Fighter at Amazon. And while you're at it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing collectibles and reviews. Thanks for watching, and may the Force be with you. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, I want to talk to you about the Molliput Automatic Cat Feeder with Timer. If you are a cat or dog owner, then this is the perfect product for you. This 4L cat food dispenser allows you to program up to 6 meals a day with 150 portions per meal. It also has a slow food function that allows you to set the dispense time interval between every 2 servings. One of the best features of this feeder is its large capacity food storage. With a 4L capacity, this feeder can feed an adult cat for about 25 days. You also don't have to worry about moisture for long-term storage, thanks to the desiccant bag and sealing strip, which help maintain the freshness and quality of food. What's more, this cat feeder has power-off memory, meaning that all setting parameters remain unchanged after a power failure. This feeder also supports dual power options, so you can use either a plug-in or D-cell batteries, not included. No need to reset the time within 7 days of a power failure. But wait, there's more. You can record a 10-second personalized message to remind your pets to eat on time. Plus, the feeder has an intelligent grain output feature, so if grain is stuck, the motor will immediately reverse and release the stuck grain. No missed feeds due to jamming and no wasted food due to blockages. So, if you want to ensure that your pets are always fed on time and with the right portions, click on the link in the description below to get your Molliput Automatic Cat Feeder with Timer today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more pet product reviews and tips. Thanks for watching. Hey there cat lovers. If you're tired of constantly scooping your cat's litter box, then this self-cleaning automatic cat litter box is the solution you've been looking for. With its extra large size and smart sensors, this litter box is perfect for multiple cats. The automatic cleaning feature means no more scooping for you. Our system takes care of waste cleanup right after your cat finishes using the litter box. Plus, the waste is neatly separated from the clean litter, making waste bag changes a breeze when needed. Safety is a top priority with our smart litter box. Equipped with advanced features, including a 360-degree infrared sensor that automatically halts operation when your cat approaches, and an infrared radar at the base of the box to prevent accidents. The convenient app allows for remote monitoring and control, including one-touch poop removal and litter replacement functions. You can even record your cat's toileting habits to monitor their safety and health. This litter box supports various types of clumpable cat litters, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of options. And don't worry, we've got you covered with our 1-year warranty and excellent customer service. So say goodbye to scooping and hello to a cleaner, smarter, and safer litter box experience. Click the link in the description to get your self-cleaning automatic cat litter box today. Hey there, friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a look at something truly adorable and cuddly, the giant goose stuffed animal. This 51.1-inch soft goose plush pillow is the perfect gift for anyone who loves geese, ducks, or swans. Crafted with high-quality, gentle, and skin-friendly materials, this plush toy is as soft as rabbit fur and filled with PP cotton, making it super soft and fluffy. The lifelike appearance and exquisite details make it the perfect birthday present for your daughter, friends, or any goose lover in your life. What's more, this cute and beautiful stuffed goose plushie can be used as room decoration, collectibles, hug pillows, and even as a perfect photo prop. It's versatile, functional, and oh so adorable. And let's not forget that this plush toy comes in 5 different sizes, so you can choose the perfect one for you or your loved one. Whether it's for a birthday, Thanksgiving, or a heartwarming surprise on Christmas Day, everyone deserves a big hug once in a while, and this cozy goose plush toy is the ultimate gift of warmth and comfort. So, why wait? Treat yourself or a loved one to the cuddly cuteness of this giant goose stuffed animal. Click the link in the description to purchase one today and bring some extra warmth and joy into your life. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching. Hey there, gamers. Today, we've got an absolute must-have for your family game room, game cave, or home office, the ARCADE 1-Up PAC-Man customizable arcade game featuring Pac-Mania. With 14 games in one, including Pac-Man, Galaga, Dig Dug, and more, this arcade game is loaded with retro fun. But that's not all. This arcade game also comes with over 100 bonus stickers, allowing you to personalize your cabinet and show off your Pac-Man pride. And with features like a 17-color LCD screen, light-up marquee, and molded coin door, this game looks and plays great. Plus, assembly is a breeze with the included custom arcade game riser for freestanding play. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description and grab your own ARCADE 1-Up Pac-Man arcade game today. Don't miss out on the fun. Subscribe to our channel for more awesome gaming content. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for all the horror fans out there. We're taking a closer look at the Funko Spirit Halloween Trick or Treat Sam with Razor Flocked Pop figure. If you're a fan of the Halloween classic Trick or Treat, then you'll absolutely love adding this officially licensed Sam with Razor Funko Pop figure to your collection. This figure stands at 3.5 x 2 watts x 175D, making it the perfect size to display on any shelf, case, or table in your home, especially as we approach the Halloween season. The figure features a razor candy bar in Sam's hand and a soft flock texture, just like his pajamas in the film, adding an extra level of detail and authenticity to your collection. Plus, with proper care, you can keep your Sam Funko Pop figure looking pristine for years to come. Once you put Sam on display in your home, you'll be ready to enforce all the rules of Halloween. This item has been imported and is a must-have for any horror fan looking to add a unique and collectible piece to their collection. So, if you're ready to elevate your horror collection, be sure to click the link in the description to get your hands on the Funko Spirit Halloween Trick or Treat Sam with Razor Flocked Pop figure today. Don't miss out on this iconic figure. And while you're at it, be sure to give our channel a like and subscribe for more horror collectibles and reviews. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay spooky. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a look at the Canon EOS Rebel T100 DSLR camera with FS 1855mm f3.55.63 lens. This camera is perfect for capturing stunning DSLR quality photos and full HD movies. With its powerful 18-megapixel sensor and precise autofocus, the Canon EOS Rebel T100 allows you to capture every moment with incredible detail. It also features 3.0 frames per second, allowing you to capture fast-moving subjects with ease. The built-in Wi-Fi and Canon Camera Connect app make it easy to share your photos instantly and shoot remotely using a compatible smartphone. The optical viewfinder helps you easily frame your shots, while the Scene Intelligent Auto mode ensures great results every time you shoot. Additionally, the guided live view with creative auto mode and creative filter options allow you to add unique finishes to your images, giving you the flexibility to express your creativity. Plus, this bundle includes a 32 GB South Dakota card, so you'll have plenty of storage space for all your photos and videos. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile DSLR camera, the Canon EOS Rebel T100 is the perfect choice. Check the link in the description to grab yours today and start capturing your world in stunning detail. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any of our future reviews and recommendations. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the portable cordless car handheld vacuum cleaner. This little powerhouse boasts a strong suction of 8000 PA and a high power of 120 W, making it more than capable of cleaning up crumbs, dirt, pet hair, and any other mess inside your vehicle. With its 2200 mAh lithium-ion battery and fast charge technology, this cordless handheld vacuum can work continuously for 20-30 minutes after just 2-3 hours of charging. And at under 65 dB, it won't disrupt your conversations while cleaning. The package includes 3 different detachable nozzles to meet a variety of cleaning needs, allowing you to reach under car seats and into all the nooks and crannies of your vehicle. Not to mention, it can be easily plugged into your car's cigarette lighter with the included power cable. Weighing only 1.9 pounds, this vacuum is light and comfortable to carry, making it perfect for on-the-go cleaning. Plus, it supports both dry and wet use, making it versatile for all your cleaning needs. The semi-translucent debris bin lets you see exactly how much it has sucked up, and the quick and easy trash dumping feature makes cleaning up a breeze. Whether it's your vehicle, boat, home, or office, this vacuum is the ultimate cleaning companion. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to dirt and debris, make sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on this portable cordless car handheld vacuum cleaner. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something really special to share with you. Have you ever dreamt of owning your own tiny home, but think it's just not possible? Well, think again. Introducing the 24M2 Modular Wooden House Tiny Home Prefabric Home. This beautiful tiny home is constructed with high-quality pine wood, PVC doors and windows, laminate floor covering, and a sturdy panel roof. With 24 square meters of space, this modular home is perfect for anyone looking to downsize and live a more minimalist lifestyle. Whether you're looking for a cozy cabin in the woods or a modern retreat in the countryside, this tiny home is versatile and can be customized to fit your needs. And the best part? It's affordable and easy to assemble, making it the perfect option for those looking to make a change without breaking the bank. So, if you're ready to make your tiny home dreams a reality, click the link in the description to get your very own 24M2 Modular Wooden House Tiny Home Prefabric Home. Don't wait any longer to live the life you've always wanted. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing products like this, and as always, thanks for watching.